Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corner, also known as Mr. Finance, and today I want to tell you that this is about more of a mental health awareness. I want to tell you guys that hey, it is okay if you're not feeling okay. Life has a funny way of dealing with people, and you have to know a way how to deal with life. When life seems tough, yes, people cliche would say you just got to get tougher. When life get tough, it's okay if you don't know what to do. If life get difficult, it's okay to not know how to react. When life get challenging, it's okay to not know what to do. What you need to not do is give up on you. What you need to not do is be hard on yourself. What you need to not do is to feel like you're pressured. All you have to do is remember that I know who I am. I know who I'm trying to become. But you also got to remember that you got to know where you are, but understand where you're trying to go. It's okay. Life may seem tough, rough, all these things. But never forget, it's okay. Whatever that worries you, pray about it. Whatever that challenges you, pray about it. Whatever that gives you a hard time, pray about it. Prayer change lives. Prayer make things better. Faith over worry. Because if you trust in God, who can go against you? What could stop you? You can overthink all things with God. You put God first in everything you do. All the things that may challenge you, all the things that may worry you, all the things that may hurt you, God got you. And I just want to remind you of that. So when you feel alone, you feel challenged, you feel worried, you feel hurt, put all your burdens on God, and God will guide you through it all. I promise you. I promise you. It may seem tough, it may seem rough, but God got a plan for you, and He will never forsake you nor leave you if you seek Him. Seek God's comfort in all your hard times. And all your hard times may be tough, but you won't go through it alone because God is with you. Trust in God, and all the things that you want will be okay. I'll see you at the top.